In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Outlook view smaller. If you've ever felt like the view in your email is just a bit too large and want to declutter your screen, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in and get started. First, let's head over to the Outlook login page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook login site. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on that sign in button. If you already have your credentials saved, select your account. If not, enter your email and password to proceed. After successfully signing in, you'll be taken to your Outlook Mail homepage. This is the main hub where you can access all of your emails and messages. Now, let's go into the mail section if you aren't directed there automatically. Typically, this is the default view when you sign in, but if it isn't, you can easily navigate to it using the menu. Once you're on the mail page, find an email that you can click on. It doesn't matter which one, it can be any email in your inbox. Click on it to open it in full view. This will allow us to access the settings we need to adjust the view size. With the email open, take a look at the top of your screen. You should see a menu bar with several options. Locate the tab labeled View. This is where we can make changes to how your email view looks and feels. Click on the View option to open up a drop-down menu of tools at your disposal. In the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Zoom. This tool is designed to help you adjust how large or small your email text appears. Click on Zoom and a new window with Zoom settings will pop up. In this Zoom settings window, you'll see a couple of different options, usually indicating percentages for how large or small you want the view to be. You'll also notice a minus sign or a slider if you're using a different interface version. Click the minus sign or slide the control to the left to make the view smaller. Adjust as necessary to find the size that feels comfortable for you, whether you want it just a tad smaller or significantly reduced. Once you've set the zoom level to your preference, you can close the settings window and you'll immediately notice that your Outlook email interface looks less imposing and a bit more organized on your screen. And there you have it. With just a few quick clicks, you've successfully made your Outlook view smaller. Adjusting the zoom can greatly enhance your email experience, especially for those managing lots of emails daily. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to tweak the view again. Thanks for tuning in today and happy emailing.